Alright guys, today we're going to be solving equations. We looked at a lot of equations last week that were in the form y equals mx plus b. So today is going to be a little review from 7th grade. If you don't remember how to do this, no worries. We'll get plenty of practice today. So if we look at this equation here, we have 3x plus 1 equals x minus 7. And the directions say solve the two equations for the given variable. The variable is our letter, so in this case it is x. This means that I want to get x by itself on one side and only a number on the other. Now I see that I have 3x on the left and x on the right. Now to get rid of this 3x, I would have to subtract 3x from both sides. Or my other option, I can subtract 1x from both sides. Now, either one is fine. In this case, I'm going to subtract x from both sides because x is less than 3x, so I'm going to get a positive value over here. Now, doing this, I have 2x, because 3x minus x gives me 2x, plus the 1 equals negative 7. Notice this x is gone because we subtracted x from both sides. Now, to be clear, we subtract x from both sides. That doesn't change anything here because these are not like terms. This 1 does not have a variable, so when you subtract x from both sides, it only affects this term right here. Now, if we look down here, we're left with 2x plus 1 equals negative 7. Over here, I like that I only have a variable on this side, but I need to get rid of this 1. Now, if I'm going to get rid of a positive 1, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. Remember, anything you have to do to one side, you have to do to the other. So all we'll have left on the left is 2x, because 2x plus 1 minus 1 leaves us with 2x. And then negative 7 minus 1 equals negative 8. Now we're almost there, but I see that we have a 2 as a coefficient in front of our x. This is the same as 2 times x equals negative 8. If I only want to know what the single x equals, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get rid of this coefficient. When we do that, we are left with x equals negative 8 over 2, or negative 8 divided by 2 equals negative 4. Now to check your work, you're going to substitute negative 4 for x into our original equation, so we could rewrite this as 3 times negative 4 plus 1 equals negative 4 minus 7. 3 times negative 4 gives us negative 12 plus 1 equals negative 4 minus 7 is negative 11. Negative 12 plus 1 equals negative 11. On this side is still negative 11. So we're left with negative 11 equals negative 11, telling us that our solution was correct. So right now I want you to pause. Make sure you have all of these steps. If you do not, go back and rewatch the video. Follow along with me as you go.